Hi, my name is Lian Henriksen. I'm part of the last cycle of the Science of Getting Rich 21. And I guess the biggest testimonial I can actually give is that I am going to join the next cycle of 90 days. I've thoroughly enjoyed being with Gary, and I've thoroughly enjoyed being part of this mastermind and the community that Gary has built. And what more can I say? Thank you so much, Gary, for bringing creation, for bringing fun into the creation of our reality. And thank you, Binay, for being so supportive. Technically, you have been very, very supportive. Thank you. And I'll see you at the next cycle. Bye.